I finally upgraded my screen printing equipment. So we have a little problem. The lift gate doesn't work and those machines are not light. And you're gonna have to move.
So I'm gonna try to lift it as high as possible.
Push it. Alright, before we talk about what these machines do, I gotta show you how they actually showed up. First off, huge shout out to Expert Movers. That's my older brother's company, and he sent my younger brother. So yeah, family discount, family muscle, and zero stress. I just stood here pretending like I knew what I was doing. Now look at this beauty. This is my custom-made conveyor dryer. And check out how they packed it. They bubble wrap every single corner so things don't get scratched. And inside, they added foam and 2x4s. I'll be honest, I don't know exactly why, but if the machine survived the trip, I'm not questioning it. Inside this box right here, we got the flash dryer and my custom-made platens. Everything packed tight, clean, and protected. No loose parts, no sketchy movement, just solid. I'll break all this down soon, but right now, I'm just appreciating the craftsmanship. And finally, the big one, the custom-made press. It's simply strapped onto a pallet. This thing is not going anywhere. Don't worry, I'll talk about each machine in detail very soon. But before I show you the machines, trust me, I'm super excited to show you the machines. I gotta remove the old equipment. So let's go. And of course, bad news, these machines are a lot heavier than I expected. And my brother's gonna come in an hour to come help me out. So for now, I'm gonna open that box up because I'm just like itching to break it. Whatever's in here must be important. This was actually a lot easier than I expected. All of these are custom-made platens. I got some huge plans for the channel and the shop, so I can't reveal everything just yet. But just know, we're going all out this year. Oversized platens, sleeve platens, even baby platens. Yeah, we're covering everything. Before any of this showed up, I already knew where everything was going. I made a simple layout and had the electrician install all the outlets ahead of time. That one step alone made this whole process way easier. Out with the old, in with the new. You definitely need help moving these machines. Yeah, I could have dragged them across the floor, but I didn't want to scratch my brand new floor. We were being careful this time. Shout out again to my younger brother. He came for the rescue. Seeing everything fall into place like this is exactly how I picture it. Now everything's set where it needs to be. All that's left is waiting on the electrician. Once the power's on, that's when the real fun starts. Before I get into all these small details, I want to let you guys know all this equipment came from Ranar screen printing. They've been in the screen printing industry since 1971. That's over 40 years of experience, which is longer than I've been alive. I'm not a gatekeeper, so I'm going to attach a link in the bio so you guys can go check it out for yourself. Now this right here is the flash dryer. It's called the D2020 because it's 20 inches by 20 inches. Straight to the point. I respect that. A flash dryer is essential in screen printing. It's a portable heating unit used to quickly dry or flash cure ink between color layers on a t-shirt. It saves you from ruining a t-shirt. There's a couple different types of flash dryers. Halogen bulb flashes are mostly used for automatic presses, and infrared or IR flashes are the most popular for manual presses, like this one that I'm showing you. If you've been following this channel, you know that I've been working with a flash dryer for years. And I'll explain my why later on the video. This one is a 20 by 20, but they come in different sizes from 16 to 16 all the way to 24 times 36. So if you're thinking long term, you got options. You got a knob on the side to adjust the height. On the back, you have the panel. It's super simple. Power button turns on the light. Heat knob controls the temperature. That's it. No panic, no engineering degree required. It's got a handle on top, so you can move it around while it's on without burning your hands. Very important. And it's got wheels, so if you need to reposition it, easy. I'm just giving you a quick intro to the Flash. In our next video, I'll put this bad boy to work in real production. But so far, I'm impressed. 10 out of 10. This right here is the biggest upgrade to the shop. A conveyor dryer is essential in screen printing, especially if you want to grow. It speeds up production, reduces errors, and gives you the ability to take larger orders. And large orders means growth. For years, I was working only with a flash dryer. My production was pretty slow, so I couldn't take many orders. It didn't affect me too much because I was also doing YouTube. But now, I'm ready to take this business to a whole nother level. This is a Star CS6000, which honestly sounds like a Dragon Ball Z character. It's 8 feet long, 44 inches wide, and about 4 feet tall. But the most important thing to me was the Teflon mesh belt, which is 36 inches wide. When you have a small conveyor, you have to fold in the sleeves and the t-shirt so it could fit in. But with this big 36-inch wide belt, all I gotta do is just throw it up in there and it goes by itself. Time is money. The front panel is extremely easy to understand. Right here we have an on and off switch for the conveyor and a knob to control the belt speed. Next to it we have another switch to turn on the heat panels inside the dryer and a digital monitor to control the temperature. Once again, super simple, no engineering degree required. This dryer is also very well insulated, which helps keep all the heat inside. On top you have 4 knobs to raise and lower the heat panels. So if you're printing thicker garments or more sensitive materials, you can adjust accordingly. On the front and back, you got adjustable brackets. You can raise or lower them to keep the heat in and adapt to different materials. And yes, it got wheels, which is extremely helpful when you're moving a big boy like this. Now, both the conveyor and the flash run on 220 volts. The conveyor pulls around 28 amps and the flash pulls around 18. Just something to plan for, but totally manageable. Ranar offers multiple sizes of the conveyor dryer because not all of us are in the same position or have the same space. This one fits my vision to where I want to take my shop. Finally, my screen printing press. Story time. To a lot of people, this might not seem that important, but to me, it's everything. I started screen printing with the cheapest equipment in the industry, the blue Amazon press. Then I upgraded to a used 4-color 4-station press. After that, a used 6-color 4-station press. And now, a brand new 6-color 6-station press. I always been an advocate to buying used screen printing equipment because in the beginning stages, that's what made sense. But now, I'm ready to take this shop to a whole nother level. And this time, this brand new equipment is gonna take me there. Quick example, my wife and I always bought used cars. And last year, for the first time in our life, we bought a brand new car. Crazy part is that we haven't done any type of maintenance to it, other than just regular oil changes. It's been over a year now. So with this new shop update, I had to start it with a new engine. This is the V6600. A 6-color, 6-station screen printing press. It's about 8 feet all around with platens and roughly 4.5 feet tall. Oh, and I forgot to mention, all these machines are American made. Heavy duty. Ranar does all the cuts. Now, let's talk about the most important part. The print heads. Heavy duty brackets holding the screen. 2 knobs on the top to lock it in. And a side clamp that controls the tilt of the screen. Now this is my favorite part. The micro registration knobs. These 2 knobs loosen the print head. Then the back knobs let you dial in the screen perfectly. Let's start with the left knob. It lets you go up, down, and slight right tilt. The middle knob left and right knob, up, down, and left tilt. Once I get this bad boy running, you'll see the beauty of these features. This press comes with standard platens. I believe they're 16 by 16, but I requested bigger ones because I'm gonna upgrade to bigger screens. These are 16 by 22. Each arm has a measuring tape to adjust the platens. At the bottom, you got an off contact knob, super easy to adjust. Right next to it is the bearing, where the print head drops. This makes sure the screen lands in the exact same spot every single time. This machine was custom built and painted for this shop. I'm going with black, silver, chrome vibes, and that's exactly what they did for me. So yes, this is an amazing feeling. This isn't just a press. This is the next chapter for myloprints. So this isn't just new equipment to the myloprints shop. This is something way bigger. We're actually building a partnership with Ranar screen printing. This has been in the works for a couple months now. What excites me the most is that they're giving me a bigger voice in the screen printing industry. They're listening to my ideas. The owner, his name is Jeremy. He has came to the shop before any of this was built. We had a couple meetings. He even gave me his personal number. Here, let me show it to you guys. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna give it to you guys. Not yet. But you know what's better than my ideas? Your ideas. We have a real opportunity to build something even bigger for the screen printing community. Not just for me, for all of us. Huge shout out to Danny, that's Ranar's mechanic. He built everything from scratch, adding the wheels, running the electrical, custom plating, and the most important part, the color. I mean, having equipment that runs good is amazing. But having equipment that runs good and looks good, it's more amazing. They didn't just sell me the machines, they built me the machines. And I still have more equipment coming soon, so stay tuned for that because this is just the beginning. And lastly, shout out to the homie Stan Banks. He's the brain behind all this. This is why I always tell you guys, keep moving. Even if it's just baby steps. I met Stan at a trade show last year, and because of that connection, I was able to build a partnership with Ranar. He does the same thing as I do, probably even better. But this isn't about competition. It's about working together for a better life. This package that I got here is a pro package. But if you're not at this level yet, there's light packages, beginner level packages, but everything could be custom built to your space, to your like. And if this is too small for you, they also have elite packages. So I'm gonna attach the link below so you guys can go check it out. I've been making beginner videos ever since I started this channel. Now, it's time to level up. I'm gonna do things I've never done before because now I have the equipment to do it. So if there's anything you wanna see, anything you have in mind, drop it in the comment. God bless you all. 2016. Here we come. Did I just say 2016? I meant 2026. Here we come.